Hey guys, it's me, Sophia. This is our greenhouse right here, and this is what it looks like a couple days ago. Anyway, I'm doing some renovations on it, which I already did at this point of the editing, but I will... Okay, so here first, I have to get rid of these pots and the rock, move the rock out of the way or something, and then I'm gonna have to make sure everything in here is good, and then also on either Saturday or Sunday, my grandma and me are going shopping for more plants and dirt, so that way I can repot these walls, except for this rotlings probably. So let's get started. I have to build this thing right here.
Okay, we have ran into the problem. Nothing wrong. It's making the video a little more interesting, but some of these, the two of those are bent on the bottom. And when I was putting it together, this wheel come off. This T-moat is completely fine to have it like that. Not really fine, but natural for that to happen. So let's get all this in here out. Oh, hi. It's me again. I'm organizing this box for you.
Here's what I did. I'm gonna put this in a lot of stuff.
That's perfect.
Sorry, you missed out, but well, okay. And after dinner, I'm gonna go get to sit down with my grandma. Okay, now we're heading to Dollar Tree for pots because they're a lot cheaper here and they're still the same. Right, Grandma? Hey guys, I'm back. Here's the stuff we got. We got some other stuff, so I'm gonna kind of show you what I got and talk about it and stuff. But I'm just gonna do that so you don't have to watch. 14.